I'll wash myself after I eat.
I'll wash myself after I eat.
I want to buy a plane ticket to Paris.
I want to buy a plane ticket to Paris.
May I ask who's calling?
May I ask who's calling?
Yes, I've worked part-time in a work-study position at my university.
Yes, I've worked part-time in a work-study position at my university.
Yes, the maid will come and pick it up.
Yes, the maid will come and pick it up.
I'm doing my best.
I'm doing my best.
We'll be in touch very soon.
We'll be in touch very soon.
Just this mango.
Just this mango.
Would you like to leave a message?
Would you like to leave a message?
It's going to rain. Don't go out today.
It's going to rain. Don't go out today.
It couldn't be helped.
It couldn't be helped.
You need to take this more seriously.
You need to take this more seriously.
Please clean up your room.
Please clean up your room.
I'd like to ask for compensation for my lost luggage.
I'd like to ask for compensation for my lost luggage.
Listen to your teacher.
Listen to your teacher.
Caramel is not a healthy snack.
Caramel is not a healthy snack.
I can't see the germs.
I can't see the germs.
I'm not going to wake you up anymore.
I'm not going to wake you up anymore.
I'll get the fish bones out.
I'll get the fish bones out.
Please put away the dishes you used.
Please put away the dishes you used.
Thank you. That would be great.
Thank you. That would be great.
Could you spare me a few minutes?
Could you spare me a few minutes?
Have you got a couple of minutes?
Have you got a couple of minutes?
Don't rush.
Don't rush.
I am very grateful.
I am very grateful.
I'm hungry. Please get me a snack.
I'm hungry. Please get me a snack.
What about your weaknesses?
What about your weaknesses?
Did you have a good time with your friends?
Did you have a good time with your friends?
Why do you look grumpy this morning?
Why do you look grumpy this morning?
Eat something.
Eat something.
I think Daddy should do it.
I think Daddy should do it.
Are you willing to travel on business often?
Are you willing to travel on business often?
We should get the dry clothes.
We should get the dry clothes.
No, I don't think we have been introduced.
No, I don't think we have been introduced.
The wrinkles are gone. That's cool.
The wrinkles are gone. That's cool.
You're home early.
You're home early.
I'm looking forward to this opportunity, thank you.
I'm looking forward to this opportunity, thank you.
Don't be picky with your food.
Don't be picky with your food.
Don't take it so seriously.
Don't take it so seriously.
Is work on weekends required very often?
Is work on weekends required very often?
I was worried about you. Sweetie.
I was worried about you. Sweetie.
Do you need a hand?
Do you need a hand?
Are you carrying any metal objects with you?
Are you carrying any metal objects with you?
Would you like another cup of coffee?
Would you like another cup of coffee?
When are we going to clean up all of this?
When are we going to clean up all of this?
A little of this, a little of that.
A little of this, a little of that.
Can I have a seat in the front of the plane?
Can I have a seat in the front of the plane?
Generally, what are the hours?
Generally, what are the hours?
Hello. May I speak with Tom, please?
Hello. May I speak with Tom, please?
How can I possibly thank you?
How can I possibly thank you?
It's good to see you.
It's good to see you.
Nobody picked up.
Nobody picked up.
The shirt's all wrinkled.
The shirt's all wrinkled.
Did you pack your backpack?
Did you pack your backpack?
The day will be over soon.
The day will be over soon.
What floor should we press?
What floor should we press?
Oh, no, we lost one of our suitcases.
Oh, no, we lost one of our suitcases.
Exactly how long is this flight going to be delayed?
Exactly how long is this flight going to be delayed?
Can you hang the socks?
Can you hang the socks?
Come back in an hour.
Come back in an hour.
Could I leave my bags here for a few hours?
Could I leave my bags here for a few hours?
I like riding on the school bus.
I like riding on the school bus.
What have you been up to since you left?
What have you been up to since you left?
Hold on, please.
Hold on, please.
The laundry is all dry.
The laundry is all dry.
We offer our entry-level salespeople an annual salary of $30,000.
We offer our entry-level salespeople an annual salary of $30,000.
Let's take the clothes off the rack.
Let's take the clothes off the rack.
We have to charge you a fee for the extra weight.
We have to charge you a fee for the extra weight.
Where has all the time gone?
Where has all the time gone?
Your departure gate is A13.
Your departure gate is A13.
Don't step on the back of your shoes.
Don't step on the back of your shoes.
Let's go to the lost luggage counter.
Let's go to the lost luggage counter.
It's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure.
Eat a lot and get strong.
Eat a lot and get strong.
Draw me a car.
Draw me a car.
Go down one step at a time.
Go down one step at a time.
Wow. You cleaned up so nicely.
Wow. You cleaned up so nicely.
I'd like an aisle seat.
I'd like an aisle seat.
How come you look so thin now?
How come you look so thin now?
We offer free Wi-Fi in every room.
We offer free Wi-Fi in every room.
I have another call. Stay on the line, please.
I have another call. Stay on the line, please.
It was very nice meeting you.
It was very nice meeting you.
Raise your hand when you cross the street.
Raise your hand when you cross the street.
May I use your pen?
May I use your pen?
It costs $40 extra per night.
It costs $40 extra per night.
Want more peanuts?
Want more peanuts?
I can't express my appreciation.
I can't express my appreciation.
What floor are you going to?
What floor are you going to?
Go queue up nicely for the school bus.
Go queue up nicely for the school bus.
We will need some clothespins.
We will need some clothespins.
Let me fold mine by myself.
Let me fold mine by myself.
Round trip. I will come back on the 13th.
Round trip. I will come back on the 13th.
Keep up the good work.
Keep up the good work.
It's me all right. How have you been?
It's me all right. How have you been?
Yes, I live on Willow Street.
Yes, I live on Willow Street.
Let's put some water in the flower pots.
Let's put some water in the flower pots.
When is this homework due?
When is this homework due?
Wash them carefully so there is no residue left.
Wash them carefully so there is no residue left.
There are a lot of kids already waiting in the queue.
There are a lot of kids already waiting in the queue.
How would you like to pay for your bill?
How would you like to pay for your bill?